Hello and welcome back to the Legal Diaries. This video is going to be about how you can build a presence on social media as an inspiring lawyer. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 tips which have personally worked for me when it comes to building a presence on social media. So when it comes to social media, there's various different platforms that you can use. The most obvious ones being LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Now I'm going to be mainly focusing on Twitter in this video just because I've found that the easiest and that's my personal favorite, but the tips that I'm going to share with you can pretty much be used across all social networks. The first tip that I'm going to share with you is probably the most obvious. It's to have a respectable profile name, profile picture and biography. Now that's for obvious reasons, and I'm sure you already knew that, but there's so many out there who often do forget that, and they'll have something funny in their biography, but that is the first thing that people often do look at when they do click on your page. So just be mindful of that. So my second key piece of advice would be to follow people that are relevant to you, relevant to the legal sector and relevant to your interests. Once you're following those people, be sure to interact with them. These social networking sites are there for that reason, so you can network socially, not always with people that you know. Especially on Twitter, people are open to having people press that follow button even if they do not know them. So do not be scared of that, and also again, do not be scared to interact so long as you are saying something, you know, that is of substance and that is not offensive, rude or just plain right silly. The third key piece of advice is to be yourself online. I cannot stress this enough. I found that personally worked for me. I would tweet about what I was genuinely interested in. I would reply to people who have tweeted if I'm genuinely interested in their tweets, and I would let my personality shine through. To get the most out of social media, you need to be yourself. For instance, if you are interested in going into employment law and you've seen an employment law case online in the news and you tweet about it, fair enough. But if they are talking about the Iranian sanctions and you are not in the slightest bit interested in it, you didn't even know that the sanctions in Iran have been lifted, then there's no point in, you know, tweeting yeah or LOL or something like that just for the sake of it. Number 4 would be to not harass people online, and by that I mean do not send them like 10,000 tweets a day just because you're trying to get them to notice you. Do not tweet a law firm and say, hi, please follow me back, because they'll be thinking, why would I want to do that? You know, then what happens? I would say tweet sensibly. Make sure that if you are tweeting, it's not offensive. Make sure that you are tweeting in a manner in which you would like to be tweeted in as well. My last key piece of advice is arguably my most important one. I would say that you really would need to be consistent online as well. I would say, you know, sending out 1 or 2 tweets a day if you can is excellent. I don't always have time to do that anymore, but I certainly know that when I was trying to establish a presence online, it definitely did help me. It's up to you how much you want to tweet or post Instagram pictures or post updates on LinkedIn. That is totally up to you, but what I would say is do have sensible timings between them. Those are my tips, and those are what have helped me build a presence in the kind of legal field online. I've got to meet so many other aspiring solicitors and have had so many opportunities come from that. Hopefully that's helped somebody out there as well. So good luck with building a presence online. Have fun on Twitter, have fun on LinkedIn, have fun on Instagram, but be sensible as well. Take care. Speak to you in my next video. Bye.